is the manual on how to register for the International Junior Conference entitled Where the World is Heading. To register, please follow the instructions. First of all, visit our website oceanofchanges.com, where you can find the link for registration. Next, fill out the registration form. Remember that all of the polls marked with stars are mandatory. Read the event regulations available on the registration page. In the registration form, provide a link to the file with your presentation, video, or poster. We accept WeTransfer links only and exclusively. Presentations, posters, films, or any other form must be presented in English. Please make sure that when uploading files to WeTransfer, you send them to the email address worldcafesopot@gmail.com. How to upload files with correct names? First of all, please name all of the files with your organization name, then group leader name and group leader surname. In the file, the first slide should contain name and surname, or names and surnames of persons who performed the work if applicable. Then name and surname of their teacher or mentor. The name of the institution, organization, or in the case of private applications, private application, presentation, video, poster, topic. And last but not least, one email address, preferably for the group leader. Let's see how this first slide should look like. Now let's see how this registration would look like in real life. We'll visit firstly Oceanology.com to search for the link for registration. Okay, let's register. First of all, your name, your surname, email address, phone number. Please remember about code country. Please provide once again your email for approval. Now we need the name of your institution and the author's names and age. Now you can mark what form of presentation you will be giving. If you pick other, please specify what you meant. Next, we will need your presentation description. The next thing we will need is the link for the presentation. To get the link with your files from WeTransfer, please follow me. We'll be sending files to world.support@gmail.com. In the title section, please provide the conference name you are applying for and the letter name. Next field is not mandatory. Now we need to upload the files. When uploaded, click Transfer and wait for the code to arrive for your email address. Copy it and paste it in WeTransfer window. Now we are waiting to upload all of the files and send the message. When it's done, you will receive another email with the link to provide in the registration form. Next, please provide us with the information if you will be presenting your presentation during our conference on June 15th. Next, you need to check the boxes to confirm that you read all of the regulations and that you accept terms of service of our registration system. For the final step, please confirm registration form. Now, in a few moments, you should receive email. This email is a confirmation of registration. See you at the conference.